Good morning, sir. First things first. Tell me about yourself.
Good day to you, sir. My name is James Lawrence C. Gomez, and I recently completed my studies in Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering at St. Joseph Institute of Technology, where I developed a strong foundation in marine engines, machinery operations, and shipboard safety. During my training, I learned the importance of discipline, teamwork, and responsibility on board a vessel. I am highly motivated to start my career at sea, gain practical experience, and continuously learn from senior engineers.
Okay, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am eager to learn and I am committed to build a long-term career in the maritime industry. As a cadet, I understand that my role is to observe, assist, and learn as much as possible from experienced engineers. I am ready to contribute to the engine department, follow my instructions carefully, and continuously improve my skills to become a reliable engineer from the company.